Hi, I just want to share a quick video of how you can, even though you're on an intermittent fasting, how to eat healthy, proper portion size as well for me and what works best. So I'm going to have some cereal with some low-fat milk and some of my homemade granola. I am not using no added sugar. So my cornflakes, I am going to use 1 cup of cornflakes, half cup of low-fat milk or skim milk. So this is low fat. So I like to change it up. Sometimes I'll use low fat, sometimes I'll use skim milk. So half cup of this. And then I'll use 1/3 of a cup of granola. No sugar. Absolutely no other sugar because it is so sweet. It has so much sugar in this recipe already. I don't need to add anything else. I'm going to pack that in there. My granola stays so fresh and crunchy. So fresh and crunchy. You can check out this recipe on my YouTube channel. And that's it. And that's how I will have a very healthy breakfast. Thanks for watching.